Hey guys, it's Jess here at Summit RV in Ashland, Kentucky. Today we're going to take a look at the camper I have here behind me. This is the Jayco Jay Flight SLX 298BH. This has bunk beds, it has a sofa and a table, and it also has an outside kitchen. So let's check it out together here, and I'm going to turn you around and we will look at it in just a second.
Summit RV, camping made easy. Summit RV, vacation fun.
Okay guys, so I'm going to give you a little overview here of the outside of this camper. This is the 298BH from Jayco. It is protected by Jayco's 2-year limited warranty. It is an amazing warranty that covers all kinds of things. It's going to get you through 2 full camping seasons. Uninterrupted pass-through storage, completely finished, and also accessible from underneath the bed. 2 20-pound propane tanks. This RV is completely key-to-like, so the same set of keys are going to work for the entire RV. Here is your cable satellite antenna. There is a mount right here for a flat screen TV that you can bring outside and hang right here. We're prepped for solar. We've got American-made Goodyear tires and of course American-made Dexter axles. Here's your outside kitchen. You've got a 2-burner cooktop here and a sink. And then you've also got a nice little mini fridge as well. This does come with a power awning that has built-in speakers. This is from Carefree. It also has a nice LED light strip right there under the awning as well, so you don't have to worry about trying to hang those lights from your awning. They're already there. Here at the rear, you'll see that it comes with a bumper that's already got a spare tire installed, which is great. You don't have to worry about adding that feature. So you're going to be protected if you would have a flat tire on the road. And then up here, this is the Furrion plug-and-play backup camera system. All you need to do is purchase the monitor and the camera, and it will plug right in there. Here is your outside shower. This is a hot and cold outside shower, so if you need to spray off the kids or the dog, this is where you're going to do that. This is a 30-amp service RV. Here are our weights on this RV, and you can see that this thing is towing weight is going to be around 5,229 pounds, and then you can add 1,000 pounds of cargo, so you have easily got a half-ton towable RV. So we're back at the front here. I'm going to head inside and show you around. So right on the entry you can see there's no slide, but it is very spacious in here. You've got lots of floor space right here in the center so everybody can get inside comfortably. If we back up, you can see how long this is going to be. Now I'm all the way back at the bathroom door. We have quite a bit of space. And then we can switch around here and see the rest of the RV. From sitting back here in the master bedroom. And you can see this does have a ducted air conditioner. We have a hide-a-bed sofa which provides extra sleeping space. You've got a nice storage cabinet here. Directly across from the couch you're going to have a entertainment center. And you've got your IRV Bluetooth ready system. And then of course you've got the Furrion television set, which is awesome because it is set up for RV. It's going to be able to withstand those vibrations that you get while you're traveling. It's perfect for that. Here in the kitchen you can see you have a double basin sink, 3-burner cooktop, a nice sized oven. And then up here is a microwave. This is like a residential style digital microwave. So it's going to work exactly like it does at home. This is a gas and electric refrigerator and freezer. So you're going to be able to use this whether you have electricity or not by running it off of your propane tanks. And then you have a nice 4-person dinette. And this does have storage underneath each bench seat. On back here towards the back, you can see that we've got bunk beds and we've got some storage right here. So this is going to act as your pantry and or storage maybe for people that are sleeping back here in the bunk beds as well. These are extra large bunk beds. They are a double bed, so you can sleep like 2 kids in each one. The bottom bunk has a 600-pound weight limit and the top bunk has a 300-pound weight limit. And then right here outside the bathroom, you've got your mirror and then you've got your little vanity right here. So if someone needs to use the restroom, there can still be a place where people can wash their hands, and you have storage underneath that cabinet as well. As we head into the bathroom, you'll see here is your toilet, and then you do have a bathtub, which is nice if you have small kids or if you have a pet that you're going to be taking with you. This is where you can wash them and get them all clean from being outside playing all day. You do have a 12-volt fan, and then there is a domed skylight in the shower, so you don't have to worry about taller people hitting their head or anything like that. So we'll take one more look around. Some things to note about this RV is that the TV is already installed. This is an upgraded air conditioner. It's a 15K BTU. So this is something that has already got a little bit of extra things that you may not see on every single Jay Flight. Of course, we have the Magnum Truss roof system that is in every single Jay Flight that is built, and it is the strongest roof system in the industry, so you know that you are buying quality. Here is a little graphic that explains more about the Magnum Truss. Alright guys, so that is about it for this Jayco Jay Flight. This is the 298BH. It has a master bedroom with a queen size bed. It has double bunk beds in the back, and it has an outside kitchen. You also get a full size couch and a dinette, and there's plenty of space for up to 10 people to sleep in here. So come on and check it out here at Summit RV. If you have any questions, you can call or text us to 606-928-6795. You can come and see us Monday through Saturday year-round. Right now, we are open 8:30 to 7 p.m. Monday through Friday, and on Saturdays from 8:30 to 5. See you guys.
RV camping made easy. Summit RV vacation fun. Summit RV.